Okay, that's a second video about brakes and drain plugs for axle and fuel filter on the Mitsubishi MiniCab 1998. The VIN number is 0512428. So I took all the wheels. All the wheels is Bridgestone. That's a very good wheels. I think they new. Seems like they new. And the brakes in very good condition. They're just brand new brakes. The disc doesn't have any wearing at all, and it's all smooth, no spots, nothing, not perfect. Same with all four of them. The rear ones been replaced too. Seems like that's brand new pads, brand new brake pads. They tiny, that's funny, they very tiny. And the disc is the same condition, yeah, perfect, no rough spots, nothing, no wearing. Yep. And this is just the dust from braking. And let's see, same with this, it's a Bridgestone. Same there, brand new brake pads, and disc is perfect. Same in the front, same thing is in the front, brand new brake pads. And the covers for the, whatever you call them, the axles, this side been replaced, it's a different color, brand new. The steering power, wherever they tie rather, I don't know what's the name of it, I forgot. It's no rips, nothing, it's in good condition too. Same on another side. So this truck is somebody took very good care of it. It's just an awesome truck. Okay, yeah, all that, nothing, no tears, no cracks, it's all good. And then I'll show you guys where's the filter. So if somebody buys this truck, just turn my video on and you'll know where's everything. You just go to the driver's side, and right there is a fuel filter, and then we already did video about the oil change, and here's the drain plug for the axle. On the back here it's a bolt to fill it up. I don't know if you can see it. The spare tire is good too, perfect, never been used, been sitting there probably. And overall this truck is just awesome. No rusty spots, no rust at all, perfect, yeah, everywhere, no leaks, not even wet spots, nothing, it's all good. Exhaust is in amazing condition too, not even rusted. Exhaust, man, usually exhaust gets bad very quick with all this water underneath. So that's it. That's been Mitsubishi MiniCab 1998. Ooh, la, 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 la. And I'm gonna bring another truck. I'll try find one where I need to change the oil filter. So next video will be different truck with a filter oil change, which is just a filter, you just unscrew it, done. That's it. I love work on these trucks. That's very funny. Everything is tiny, easy to take off, everything is light compared to my other trucks. Just look at that transmission. That's my truck too. I keep it as a for spare parts. I just slowly disassemble it for my other trucks. Yeah, that's it. Have a good day. Have a blessed day. Thanks for coming for the party yesterday. That was awesome. I love you all. I'll talk to you later. Alligator.